I'm a God I pray. I'm a mother pray. From the other day, me like clean to myself that one away.
So wagwan people, respect for tuning in to another video, and big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, large up on yourself. From when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you know what is on the menu today. And today we're forward to talk about dancehall artist Jahshii, who is said to allegedly kill a dance brother in Grand Spain for dissing his mother. And now the police sent out a report for Jahshii to turn in himself. So stay tuned for all of that. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like and share up the video so that others can be in the know. But if you don't know how we do the thing already, we are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So no don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
I say artist a artist and bad man a bad man. Lodge that in on the blood clotted. Murder people time I be a killing the palm of mind.
So now people, today we're forward for giving you the latest updates on dancehall artist Jahshii's situation concerning a murder that was committed on June the 7th in the Grand Spain community, where Jahshii's mother and a man known as Omar Wright, otherwise called Romie, was both in an altercation in the vicinity of the Chartwood area in the Grand Spain community. So basically people, it is said that Romie threw some water in a Jahshii mother face. You see me I say? And basically Jahshii never really take keen to that. So basically Jahshii go approach Romie to find out what really go on and what really take place overall. And Romie start diss up Jahshii in a the worst way, and I make Jahshii know say oh him to go from here. So Jahshii friend them never really like that, and Jahshii friend them go bang up Romie the same night, left him flat on the ground in a the worst way people. But yeah, I did a recent video on this particular incident where I explained everything we go on people. So for all of the people them will never see that video or don't really know what really are going on in this situation, yeah, you can go check out this video that you see on the screen right now on my channel for all of the information them. And basically people, right now the police have put out a report urging Jahshii to turn himself into the police for questioning in relation with that incident and that shooting. You see me I say? And really and truly people, me don't know if Jahshii are going to do that right now or even overall based on the circumstances. But my best advice to the artist right now is for the artist to do it and turn himself into the police. Because at the end of the day, remember him is an artist and also a public figure. So him can't hide. And basically him can't make this mash up him career to people. You see me I say? So him have to know say at the end of the day, him have to really go in and angle this thing with care because it is a very sensitive situation. You see me I say? Because remember you know, people, at the end of the day, I know him pull the trigger nor I know him do the act. You see me I say? But anyways people, the police are seeking a dialogue with dancehall artist Jahshii after the entertainer name was linked to a murder committed in the community of Grand Spain, St. Andrew on June the 7th. The dead man has been identified as 45-year-old businessman Omar Wright, otherwise called Romie. Wright is the brother of an alleged Dan from the area. Nationwide News understand that Wright was killed on Chartwood Road about 10:40 p.m. hours after an alleged altercation between himself and Jahshii's mother. The rumors are that Wright and Jahshii's mom got into a verbal and physical dispute where he allegedly threw water in her face. Wright was allegedly confronted by Jahshii hours later and a quarrel reportedly ensued. The police say armed men later confronted Wright at his business place where he was shot several times. It is rumored that Wright's brother who lived overseas has vowed to avenge his death. You see me I say people? So basically in my previous video that I did on this topic, this is what me did a hope for the police to intervene before this thing gets out of hand and turn into a gang war in the Grand Spain community. Because we all know the Grand Spain community when it gets out of hand. People jump from all angles and most of the time it's the innocent who suffer the most. You see me I say people? And basically PORKIE figure easy himself to people because me know him wouldn't like if a next man do the same thing to female mother and throw water in her face. Me know say him would have vexed. You see me, I want to defend that at the end of the day. So at the end of the day too, him have to understand Jahshii's situation. That is a total disrespect to the core to any son who love their mother. But don't get me wrong, people, I am not saying what Jahshii friend them do is right, because basically them wrong also for kill Romie, because this thing could have deal with better without any loss of life. So Jahshii friend them wrong too, and if Jahshii did know about it before it happened to viewers and subscribers, Jahshii is also wrong. You see me I say? Because it could have deal with in so many other ways, people. Like for instance, this back Romie in the worst way, make the man them sort him out and give him a proper whipping, so him know say the next time him not fi do it again. You see me I say? So really and truly, this thing could have really deal with better without any loss of life. Definitely. And me I hope say Jahshii knows say at the end of the day, him have to move his mother out of the community. Because right now, PORKIE look like him will do anything in the name of his kind of justice or judgment. You see me I say? And basically, as we all people would have said, if you can't catch Quarko, you catch him short. So Jahshii have to know what him do to people. You see me I say? Because I'm sure him no want a man to try retaliate on his mother. And we know how them gun crazy bad man and see nowadays, people. Them no response here when them come. You see me I say? But anyways, people, here what I want to know do. Tell me what you think down into the comment section about all of this. Share your thoughts. Let's discuss it. Also, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, like up the video. Yeah, people, just give it a little like right now. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, and share the content so that others can be in the know. So you know how we do the thing already, people. As well, we always say, peace, I'm out.